I've always seen that substitutions
Petco
are
I
available,
bought
just never had access to them.
2, 4, 6, 8, 8, right? How many that one? 2, 4,
6 yellow and then 2 platinums.
Okay, so 2,
So
6
8
yellow.
total.
Yeah, 12 total.
8 total.
8, 12. So I put here in Petco in the house, guys. So we're going to unbox the fish. They give me a new free tub, and this is a puset. So all Mega's favorite. It's yellowfin. So we're going to put it here now. Yes, yes, yes. And we're going to put inside. Oh my God, it's yellow thing. See? Because my son requested the yellow one. So they have 4 platinum now and yellow. See guys? You can see it's beautiful. New pet again and 4 tiger bomb and shark, rainbow shark. Yeah. And the big one only. The red parrot. So I'm going to show you later. I will set them free. So guys, here we go. Our fish are free to their new crib. See, they are happy. Oh my God. See, Michael, look at your fish. What's that? Lump, right? Show me the lump. So, I like the colors. You have wheat plants, guys. So beautiful. See, they are happy. See, I'm collecting the platinum because they don't want to become big like the red parrots. So until I think they're 4 inches big, they stop growing. See guys, they're so cute. Oh my God, it's beautiful.